Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? Black soup. You won't believe it that this is my first time of cooking black soup. Just in case you come across this video and you're like, what's this one doing? However, I just need an encouragement. Probably it will come out nice. Yes, it will come out nice. Yes, black soup. And this black soup, I think you can use it to eat whatever you wish to eat it with. Okay, don't ask me, please. All right, guys, please stay tuned and watch. I prepare my black soup. Yes, I hope it come out nice. Oh, hopefully it should come out nice. Let's see. So I minimize the leaf that I use. So I only use ugu. Yes, some people use combination of bitter leaf, ugu, water leaf, they blend it all together, but in my video I only use in this video I only use ugu. Yes, probably next time I will add a bit more of other type of leaf. Yes, stay tuned and watch. Please guys, kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments, like I used to say in my video, keep me going. It wants me to do more and more. So as you can see, I'm blending the ugu, so I'm adding it to a soup. Then I will add salt, yes, and maggi. Yes, final touch, and we leave it for some minutes to cook. You can try this and which way you want it. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for watching every time, and I appreciate you and never take it for granted. All right, bye. Wow.